My home is well built. This video art is part of the number 14 from the exhibition, together with two other video art. And this is the first video that represents, that is also part of My Home is Upside Down, and also represents our home, which is our bodies, our home, which we live in, our home, Aruba, our island, community Aruba, where it has to be taken care of. We have to take care of our bodies, we have to take care of our homes, of our island, create a better connection, a better harmony, more understanding, more communication, more listening to the people on this island, because or else, the consequences will take over, and the problems will escalate. We say that the skeleton of the house will not be stable, will not have that security, will not carry itself in a very gracious and or graceful way, to be also in a sense of monumental form, how important that is for a community.